Good wonderful morning. Welcome back to the channel. Today's video, we're going to get on the tractor. I realized we haven't done a tractor video. Let me explain what I'm up to this morning. So yesterday, Mrs. Boss was doing some planting in this bed right here. And we had all these landscape timbers from the walkway where I put the rocks. If you want to watch that video, fun and exciting. So we're going to take all these landscape timbers and just stack them off because I need the forks. Just glance over there really quickly. See the back of the blue truck? It is filled with doggone pallets. So we're going to go stack those up somewhere, and I'm going to use the tractor to do it. Let me get you on top of my head. We're going to jump right into it. Oh, for that, really quickly, want to comment on the video I haven't even edited yet that's still on this memory card. Talked about raccoons and that I'm trapping them and shooting them. And at the end, I'm just kind of very matter of fact and like, I don't even care what you guys think, but you can all put it in the comments. Sounds really gruff and mean, but you know, if you're not in my circumstance, you shouldn't judge how I run my farm, I guess is what I'm trying to say. But, you know, I realize there are people who wouldn't shoot a raccoon, but, you know, I've been hunting and fishing and been an outdoorsman my entire life, so it's not like a huge deal to me. And we have so many of them. If I don't thin them out, we're not going to have any chickens. And if we don't have any chickens, we're not going to have a farm. And yeah, I don't make a ton of money off the chickens, but we enjoy having them. And the revenue that I do make from selling eggs and stuff pays for me to have the chickens basically for free. Plus I get eggs myself. So yeah, so that's why I said it. And sorry if I didn't explain myself properly, but it is what it is. Alright guys, let's get on the tractor and have some fun. Let me get you up on top of my melon. Okay guys and gals, hopefully we have you at a good angle. I have you pointed down because this is such a wide angle lens. Starting procedure. Make sure we're in neutral. Turn the key. Turn on the gas would help things. You need a screwdriver, and yeah, that's factory. There's a little petcock down here. You open. This is the choke lever. The knob's missing, but this tractor you don't even need to choke. Now it should go boom and go down to an idle. I just used it yesterday, so I checked the oil yesterday. It's nice and full. Let it warm up a little bit. We'll come over here to the truck and put the tailgate down. Hello, ducks. Hello, ducks. Yeah, you got a lot to say, don't you? Goodbye, ducks. We'll go over and check on our teenage chickens. Well, we're letting the tractor warm up for a minute. I hate jumping on my tractor and just going. Dude, you got all kinds of clean water. Why you gotta drink that old nasty water? I'm gonna, at some point very soon, pump this out and just fill it in with the tractor. Maybe that'll be another video. Ah, baby chick chicks. Hello, babies. Ah, baby chick chicks. You guys are awfully cute with your fuzzy feet. And they're getting to be naughty teenagers. Now, I have been letting them go out here in the little paddock. but it's going to rain today. Like in a couple hours, it's supposed to start raining. And I'm afraid they might be a little bit dumb and not come inside. So we're just going to keep them in today. And they're going inside the coop. It's taken them a couple of days. The first night they slept over in that corner. So, yeah. And last night they were over in the other corner of the paddock, just sitting there. I'm like, come on, it's time to go to bed. So I had to pick them up and carry them. So these landscaping timbers, we're kind of going back and forth whether or not we're going to reline the little rock walkway that I put in. So at the current time, I'm just going to stack them over here off to the edge of the yard. Load them if we need them. Here we go. All right, we'll raise up the bucket slowly. First gear. Yeah, we'll go this way. Got less things to run into and hit. No power steering. So you're going to be manly after driving this thing for a while. And my throwout bearing's getting bad. That's that gravelly sound you hear. Now hopefully I can just pull forward and they'll stay there. Or not. Of course not. I'll just take them off. Lower the bucket, hold us there in neutral. See if we can just push or not. And that'll be fine. Other than I don't want these spikes sticking straight up. Somebody fall on that and be impaled. There. Should be reasonable. And she just runs terrific. $1957. I don't know how many years that is without a calculator, but a good many. Sit here on this little hill or not. Might if I put the spikes down. Well, that isn't what we want because we have to get a... Yeah, let's do this a little different. That'll hold us. does have a parking brake, but it's a pain. Let me get a set of gloves too. I have to get some things on Marketplace listed this morning too. I have that little electric log splitter and the little chicken coop we're going to go ahead and get rid of. The new one that raccoons can get into. And the jet ski is going to be more work than what it's worth for me to fix anyway. This one here looks like he's oak. There we go. These are going to be great for stacking wood on. I don't know how many I end up getting in here, a good many. I guess we can count them, that's 3. That's 4. Let's let these down a little. Oh. That's 5. Don't be tipping. Should be able to just let it all the way down, I guess. There we go. This one here will be number 6. Number 7. Ooh, that one's got a broken board on them. Is this 8? And the chickens are out by the road. Let me shoo them out of there. 8. Gotta remember 8. Hey, you cheeky birds, get away from the road. You got acres to roam on. You don't have to be up here by the road. Come on. Go. Cheeky little buggers. Oh, don't need any business from you, Archibald. Okay, we were at 8. This will be 9. This is just a sheet of cardboard that was in there. I'm going to keep for a friend of mine. She wants it for her gardens. Keep weeds from growing. I think this is number 10. Something's coming up the road. Oh, it's a skidder. Sweet, that's a cool unit. Pole skidder or something. No, it's a harvester. That's for cutting wood. No, I don't think we're gonna get one of those. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, we got 16 on. Not horrible. 100% free. And these will be fantastic. I got these from Tractor or Farm and Home, local feed store, farm store. That's where I get my chicken feed from, amongst many other things. I'm sure that will pick up all the weight. What I'm not sure about is, will it all stay on? All right, rake. I like putting them in this way, and then I don't have to get into the truck to get all the pallets out. That's pine. That thing's light as air. But we'll be able to stack wood on it. That's all I care about. 2 more. You know, the old tractor's just slugging away. I guess I've named it Henry for Henry Ford. They have a lot more of these too. I may get another load today. Little Boss gets picked up at the bus there, so I'm there every day, twice a day. Now that's taller than me. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Maybe I got 15. That time I counted 15. Whoa. Oh no. Come on, man. Wants to lean forward on us. Weight's not an issue. Let's see if this bungee will help us at all. Worst case, I'll go get a ratchet strap. Can't quite reach the lever. Still can't quite reach the lever. Let's do this. Wish they'd left them forks a little longer. Go away, bug. Hey. do have an idea. I guess I didn't have to take these all at once. There we go. Now, if I don't drive like an idiot, those probably won't fall on my head, but if they do, it'll make a great video. There. Let us see if we can proceed at a gingerly rate. Such as this. Oh, ducks, chickens. They're starting to work towards me. Alright, I'll stop being greedy and taking too many. Alright. Okay, mental note. Hauling pallets, stop at the back. The support bar guy. For slick, we can just scoop these up with the forks, maybe. See? Told you this was going to be a good video. There we go. Oh, yeah, Jake got rid of his jet ski, so really we can use this area right here, too. Maybe right here would be a good spot. There we to bring the mower over and cut all this down. Thank goodness. Glad to see that thing go. Jet ski. Hard with no power steering to hit a spot perfectly. Well, we got that. There we go. Let's go for a little ride over here at the neighbors. Why not? Third gear. Do a little circle around here and then we'll show you the shut-off procedure for this rig. If I had a brush hog, I'd come over and mow this back field for them. But I do not have a brush hog. Stand up so you can all see a little better. wonder if that's raspberries. Little bush there. And yes, I have permission to be over at the neighbor's. I guess he's gonna put this place up for sale. Stop here and get my jack stand that the kid left out, because that's what 22-year-olds do. They want to have all the stuff, but they certainly don't want to take care of it. Yeah, that guy needs to get out of there too. Maybe I'll grab a chain real quick and we'll nab him up with the loader. He is kind of tough. He's heavy. We'll bring him up here. I don't want to lose that. Sit up there, buddy. Had that little chain out the other day. I was moving something around. I don't know if that's long enough. Probably not. What the heck did I do with that little chain that I had out? I don't remember. Oh, I do too. I moved this stupid bed spring out of the yard the other day and left the chain on it because I'm a chucklehead. There we go. And I probably should close this toolbox up since I'm expecting rain. Nothing super valuable in it. I'm actually thinking about putting that on the front of the big trailer for tools and whatnot. I haven't used a log splitter in a while either. I need to go out and get some more wood. I always need more wood. Oh, yeah, that's the one I want on there. Get that oiled up. Maybe I'll take a wire wheel and clean that up. Make sure it still runs before I list it. Get my idle where I want it. Be high enough. Should do something. That's almost too short. Well, they'll do something. Perfect. I could probably pick that one up with it. This will lift about 1,000 pounds. That thing might be, I don't know, 100, maybe a little more. Come on, quit rolling. Perfect. Little side job for you guys. And this place is just a disaster of the worst variety. I don't want to talk about it. I can't even think about it right now. Makes my head hurt. Alright, so what I do to shut her down, and I think this is good practice for any old tractor, especially gasoline, but diesel too. Well, yeah, probably diesel too. Is I shut off the gas supply. Let her idle until she's out of gas. Then my carburetor is dry. Give her a few RPMs. Eventually I'm going to have a lean-to on the side of this barn and be able to put the log splitter, the tractor, and whatever else I want to store. Also, I have the Tahoe up for sale. You can see out there by the road, probably. So we'll see if that sells, see if I get what I want for it. But here in a minute, that'll run out of fuel. That's just running on the lines, what the gas that was in the lines and what's in the bowl of the carburetor. This is the carburetor. Well, and I guess what's in the sediment bowl there too. but she will run out. Might as well wait and have the camera going. Oh, there it goes. So when it runs out, you have to shut off the key. Don't forget that, because your points will sit there and possibly be firing depending on the position that they're in. And it'll burn your points out, and then you're going to be sad because your tractor won't run and you have to put new points in it. All right, guys and gals, I want to thank you so much for joining me today. Hope you had fun on the old tractor, going for a ride, doing a few little jobs around the farm. And yeah, you guys know what to do. If you enjoyed the video, hit the thumbs up. If you hated it, hit the thumbs down. It's all good. And until next time, boss is out. See y'all.